Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. I am here again with a very interesting one. This one, I think you're gonna like it. I think everybody is gonna like this one. You see this video right here, you see this Korean rice face toner. This toner helps to give you a very glowing skin. It helps to give you a glass-like skin, but you don't have to waste money to buy it because I got you. I'll be showing you how you can make this rice toner at home, how you can make this rice toner at home that can help give you a very glowing skin. This toner will help to give you a glass-like skin, like your skin will be skinning, okay guys? And you don't need much to make it. It's very simple and easy to make. So let's get right into it, and I'll be showing you how you can make your own Korean rice face toner that will help to give you a very youthful and a radiant skin. Okay, let's get right into it. So guys, to make the rice face toner is very simple to make, and you only need the rice for this treatment. Go ahead and get your bowl. Once you get a bowl, you go ahead and measure about half cup of rice. Add it into the plate and wash it. After washing it, you go ahead and add another water into it and cover it. Once you cover it, leave it overnight for it to ferment. Then the next day we can make use of it. So guys, rice is very good to your skin. Rice is very effective to the skin. But this particular one helps to brighten your skin because rice water is rich in vitamins and minerals that helps to improve skin texture and tones. So because it helps to improve the skin texture and tones, it will help to give you a brighter tone, okay? So this is the next day. And the rice is now a bit soft. I'll transfer it into this blender and I'll blend it until smooth. So as I was saying, rice helps to improve your skin texture and give you a brighter skin. It also helps to improve the elasticity of your skin. Rice can also help to tighten and tone your skin because rice water contains amino acid, vitamins and minerals which helps to tighten your skin and reducing the appearances of pores. It also helps to produce collagen and improve skin elasticity and firmness. So rice has a lot of skin benefits. It also helps to moisturize your skin. The hydrating properties of rice water help to keep the skin moisturized and soft. It acts as a natural toner, balancing the skin pH level and keeping it hydrated without making it greasy. So now that I'm done blending it, I'll go ahead and sieve it because I don't want any particles in it. And after sieving it, now you have your rice face toner. This rice face toner is what you can use to enhance your skin. You can use this to brighten your skin. You can use this to achieve an even skin tone. Okay, so once you're done sieving it, now you go ahead and get a clean container. Let me also mention that this rice face toner will help to fight free radicals that makes you age very fast. So once you add it into the bottle, now it's ready to be used, and I will show you the effective ways you can use this to achieve a very brighter skin tone. So this here is a powerhouse. Let me show you how to use it. So guys, we are done making the rice toner. This is it here. How do you use this toner? After washing your face, just get it and spray it on your face. And why is this not spraying? Now I have to improvise. I will be making use of cotton pad. This is to show you that if you don't have spray bottle, you can make use of cotton pad or cotton wool to apply it, okay? Apply it some on the cotton board and use it to clean your face. Use it to clean your face. This face toner will target your dark spots. It will target acne, it will help to fade away hyperpigmentations. It will help to clear your face. If you have skin blemishes, it will help to fix your skin. Rice face toner helps to brighten the skin and give you even skin tone. Rice face toner will help to diminish the signs of dark spots and acne on your face. So you can use this to clean your face every morning and evening, and this will help to leave your face very radiant and glowing. Okay guys, so this is how you can make your own rice face toner at home. Try this treatment and tell me what you think about it. I will see you all in my next one. For now, bye. For the remaining one, you can cover it and put it in the fridge. Whenever you want to use it, you bring it out and apply it. Don't worry about spoiling. This can stay for 4 to 5 days. The more it ferments, the more powerful it becomes. So you can use it for 5 days, and after 5 days then fix another one. Okay guys, so this is how you can make your own rice face toner, Korean rice face toner, that can help brighten your skin and give you even skin tone. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment and share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye.